Molweni, Sanibonani, Tumela, Awushini. Hello everybody. Hello. Welcome back to African Xhosa ASMR. In today's video, I wanted to explore once again with the Zulu culture, and you guys seemed to have enjoyed my Zulu lesson, and so I thought, how about I teach you names of people in Zulu. Who knows, maybe you might find a beautiful name out of all the names I covered today and think to yourself, I want to name my kid using that name, which would be a great thing if you like the names. So I'll be giving you the name in Zulu and then giving you the meaning of that name in English, so you can get a better understanding of where the name comes from and what exactly it means. And if you're not Zulu speaking and you happen to be South African, maybe you might recognize the name of people you know, and then now you will know what the names of those people mean, what they mean. Hopefully you will enjoy watching today's video. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're watching for the very first time, you're probably wondering, what is even isiZulu? isiZulu is one of the 12 official languages of South Africa. It is the most widely spoken language out of all the 12 languages in South Africa, and it is referred to as a Bantu language. So now that you know about isiZulu, which is the language, and then people who belong to the Zulu culture are called AbaZulu. And if you say one person who belongs to that culture is umZulu, and when you're saying hello in isiZulu, you say sawubona for one person, sanibonani for multiple people. Now let's get into the video. Awesome, great. The very first name that we have is Amahle. Amahle means beauty. Amahle meaning beauty, and thus is a name usually given to girls. Baby girl, Amahle meaning beauty. The second name we have is Bhekisizwe. Bhekisizwe meaning look after the nation. Bhekisizwe. a name usually given to baby boys, Besizwe. And then after that we have Bongani, 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 meaning give thanks. Give thanks, a name usually given to a baby boy. And then we have Sibongile, 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 meaning we are thankful, we give thanks. And I would say it's a unisex name, but usually given to girls. And then after that we have Dumisani, 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 meaning give thanks or give praise. If you are praising, we are Dumisa, Dumisani, give praise, a name for baby boys. And then after that we have Msizi, 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 meaning helper, Msizi, helper, a name for a baby boy. And then after that we have Mpilo, 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 meaning life, life, which is a very popular Zulu name. After that we have Bafana, 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 meaning boy. Sometimes people give birth to baby boys and they just name them Bafana, Bafana, meaning boy. After that we have Ketiwe, 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 meaning the chosen one, the chosen one. Ketiwe, Ketiwe is name for a baby girl. Ketiwe, the chosen one. After that we have Nhlakanipho, 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 meaning wisdom. I once had a friend who was named Nhlakanipho and we would call him Nhlaka, Nhlaka. Nhlaka is a nickname, but the full name is Nhlakanipho, meaning wisdom. And he is very wise. Nhlakanipho, he definitely took up after his name, Nhlakanipho. And then after that we have Nolwazi, 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 which means knowledge. Nolwazi, which means knowledge. Nolwazi is a name usually given to a baby girl. After Nolwazi we have Shaka, 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 Shaka. Shaka was a Zulu king, very intelligent and like a warrior kind of Zulu king, and till this day he's very famous and they made movies and series about him. He was very famous Zulu king, that is Shaka. So because he was a warrior, a lot of people name their kids after King Shaka Zulu because of who he was. So that's Shaka. I also said Nolwazi. Nolwazi means also knowledgeable. I just said it means knowledge. So if you are named Nolwazi, that means you are knowledgeable. And after that we have Begumbuso, 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 meaning look after the dominion. Begumbuso, Mbuso, dominion. Bega is to look. Umbuso, dominion. Begumbuso, look after the dominion, which is a name usually given to baby boys. And after that we have Langa, 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 meaning son, as in the sun that shines. So you shine like the sun, you are langa. Sometimes people call their kids langelihle, langelihle, meaning the beautiful, beautiful, bright, shining sun. Langelihle. And then after that, we have lindiwe. Lindiwe, lindiwe meaning the one we have been waiting for. Lindiwe, the one we have been waiting for. Maybe you have been trying so many times to have a kid with no luck, or you were even told that you might not even have a kid, and you end up having that child. Because you would be trying so hard and you already prepared yourself for the child, you would name them Lindiwe, the one we have been waiting for. The one we have been waiting for. Lindiwe. And after that we have Mandlenkosi. 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 Oh, by the way, Lindiwe is a name usually given to baby girls. Baby girls. And after that we have Mandlenkosi. Mandlenkosi. Mandlenkosi meaning the power of a king. The power of a king. Mandlenkosi. So you have a child who you want to be powerful as a king. You would name them Mandlenkosi. Mandlenkosi. And after Mandlenkosi we have Mbali. Mbali. Mbali, which is a very, very popular Zulu name for baby girls. Mbali. Mbali meaning flower or rose. Mbali. Or you will call them Mbalenhle. Mbalenhle. Mbalenhle meaning the beautiful flower or a beautiful rose. Mbalenhle is a beautiful flower or a beautiful rose. Mbalenhle, Mbali, Mbali, Mbalenhle. And then after that we have Nkanyezi. Nkanyezi. Nkanyezi meaning the star, as in the star in the sky. Nkanyezi, the star. Nkanyezi. After Nkanyezi we have Lwandle. Lwandle. Lwandle meaning ocean. Lwandle meaning the sea. Lwandle. Lwandle. And then after Lwandle we have Sifiso. Sifiso. Sifiso is wish. A wish is Sifiso. Sifiso is a wish. After Sifiso we have Tulani. Tulani. Tulani meaning be still. Be still. Sifiso is usually given to a baby boy. Tulani is also given to a baby boy, meaning be still. Be still. Be still. After that we have Thando. Thando. Thando meaning love. Thando meaning love, which is also a unisex name, but typically given to boys more than it is given to girls. Thando. Thando. And then after Thando we have Sanele. Sanele. Sanele meaning we are enough. Sanele meaning we are satisfied. Ukwanele. Ukwanela is to be satisfied. Into qayanele, it is enough. Sanele, we are enough, or we are satisfied. Or you just wanted one baby, or you just wanted to add one more baby to the kids that you already have, and then you're like, okay, this is now our last child. You would name them Sanele, which means we are enough. We don't need more kids now. We're satisfied with the kid. Sanele. Sanele. Sanele is usually given to baby boys. Baby boys. And then after that we have Lungelo. Lungelo. Lungelo meaning right. right? Lungelo. After that, we have Begumuzi. 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 Begumuzi meaning look after the household. Ukubheka is to look. Umuzi is a household. Begumuzi, look after the household. And then after that, we have Mandla. Mandla. Mandla meaning power. Mandla meaning power. Power, Mandla. And after that, we have Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo meaning success. Success, Mpumelelo. You just want this kid to be as successful as possible in life. You would name them Mpumelelo, meaning success, or you having the child was the greatest accomplishment in life. So that is your greatest achievement in life, having this baby. You would name them Mpumelelo, and that's for baby boys. And if it's a girl, Nompumelelo. Nompumelelo. Nompumelelo for a baby girl, for success. After that, we have Mthunzi. Mthunzi. Mthunzi meaning shade. Mthunzi meaning shade, or yeah, shade. And maybe like if it's so hot outside and then you go into the shade, you get a sense of comfort, and then you get back into your zone and you're back to your old self again. It's a place that you go to relax and have peace. So if this baby brought you a peace of mind, and it's just like was that final like seal of approval to you, and they're just like happy, and they give you joy, comfort, and happiness, and make you, you know, to feel how you go to a shade when it's sunny outside and just have a cup of like cold water. Then that is Mthunzi. 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 And then after that we have Philani. Philani. Philani means be alive. Ukuphila is to be alive. Maybe you had complications and it seemed like the baby was never ever gonna make it, and then now you have this baby and you name them Philani, like be alive. You brought, you know, you're still alive, so continue to be alive. Philani, or may you continue to live. Philani, may you continue to live. That's what it basically means. And then after that we have Musa Wenkosi. Musa Wenkosi. Umusa is grace. Musa Wenkosi, the grace of the Lord. Umusa is favor. Musa Wenkosi, the favor of God. Inkosi is God. So Musa Wenkosi, the grace of God, or the favor of God. If you feel like this child is the grace of God, so you would name them Musa Wenkosi. Musa Wenkosi is a name usually given to baby boys. And then after that we have Sithembiso. Sithembiso. Sithembiso meaning promise. Sithembiso meaning promise. And after that we have Sipho. Sipho for a boy, or Siphokazi for a girl, meaning gift. Gift. If you feel like this is a gift from God, your child is a gift from God, you can just name them gift, which is Sipho or Siphokazi. And then after that we have Siphiwe. Siphiwe. Siphiwe, which means we are gifted or we are given. To give somebody something or to gift them something is ukumpa. Ukumpa. So once you say Siphiwe, which means this child is a gift to us, we have been gifted this child, Siphiwe. After that, we have Luthando, Luthando, Uluthando, 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 which means he or she is love. This child is love, like the child symbolizes love for you, which is a unisex name. You can name them Uluthando, meaning that this child symbolizes love to us. They represent our love. So you would name them Uluthando, meaning he or she is love. And then after that we have Yibanati, 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 meaning be with us, be with us, be with us, Yibanati. And then we have Kulekani, Kulekani, Kulekani meaning pray, Kulekani meaning pray. And then after that we have Jabulani, Jabulani, which means be cheerful, be joyful. Jabulani, Jabulani, be cheerful. And then we have Jabulile, Jabulile, which means we have been cheerful, we have been cheerful. When you say Jabulani, which means be cheerful, Jabulile, we have been joyful. And then we have Sindisiwe, 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 meaning saved, saved. Sindisiwe, saved. Maybe this child was a saving grace for you. Sindisiwe, meaning saved, or you feel like the child is protected. You name them Sindisiwe, or you are manifesting that the child will be protected from whatever. You would name them Sindisiwe, meaning saved. And after Sindisiwe, meaning saved, we have Ntombizodwa, 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 meaning only girls, only girls. If you've been having babies, it's only just girls. You would name one of your girls Ntombizodwa, which means we only have baby girls. We do not have a son. We only have daughters. Or it could mean Ntombizodwa, like if you have a lot of boys. No, I don't think it would mean it in that context, but yeah. Ntombizodwa. After Ntombizodwa, we have Nonhlanhla. 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 I once said Nhlakanipho. Okay. Nonhlanhla. Onhlanhla. Nhlanhla or Nonhlanhla, which means luck. Nonhlanhla for girls, Nhlanhla for boys, meaning luck. And then we have Liana, 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 which means it's raining. Liana, it's raining. Okay, we're raining with blessings. Liana, we like whatever it is that you want to represent the rain in this context. Liana, it's raining. And then we have Ntokozo, Ntokozo, meaning joy or happiness. Ntokozo, which is a name given to baby girls. Ntokozo, Ntokozo, baby girls. And then we have Nokuthula, 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 meaning peace or tranquility. Peace or tranquility. This baby brought you peace of mind. It's just brought peace into the family. Nokuthula. And then when I say Thula, which means be quiet. Thula, be quiet, be peaceful, be tranquil. Ukuthula oko. Nokuthula, which is a name usually given to baby girls. And after that we have Thobeka, 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 which means be humble, or humility. Humility, Thobeka, which is a name for a baby girl. And after Thobeka we have Thabisa, Thabisa, which is also another name for a baby girl, which means delight. delight. Thabisa, Thabisa, delight. And then after that we just have rain, because before I said liana, which means it's raining, and then we have rain, which is nomvula, 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 meaning rain, nomvula, rain. And then we also have lukhona, 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 which means it's here, it's here, our child is here, our baby is here, lukhona. And then after lukhona we have sizakele, sizakele, sizakele. Ukusizakala is to be helped, ukusizakala is to be helped. Sizakele, which means we have been helped, we have been helped, and this child has helped us a lot. This child is a form, like, I don't know, but like sizakele, helped, we have been helped. Sizakele, which is a name usually given to baby boys. After sizakele we have duduzile, duduzile, duduzile. Ukududuza is to console, then duduzile is a past tense of being consoling, which is consoled, consoled. Duduzile, the child has consoled you. Usiduduzile, duduzile, consoled. After duduziwele, which is a name usually given to a baby girl, we have hlengiwe, 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 which is another name for a baby girl, meaning redeemed, redeemed, redeemed. Hlengiwe, ndihlengiwe, I have been redeemed. Umhlengi wami, my redeemer. Hlengiwe, redeemed. And we have Nandi, 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 who also happened to be the father of Ushaka Zulu, the king, warrior king of the Zulu nation. Ushaka Zulu, his mother was Nandi, Nandi meaning sweet, Nandi meaning sweet. And we also have Mnandi, which is not really a name of anybody. If something is Mnandi, something that is nice, something that is delicious. If it's delicious, is Imnandi. And then we have Nandi, which is a name given to somebody, and it means you are so sweet, sweet, Nandi. And then after that we have Nozipho, 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 meaning the bearer of gifts, the bearer of gifts. Nozipho, the bearer of gifts. After Nozipho we have Nonkululeko, Nkululeko and Nonkululeko. Nonkululeko for a girl and Nkululeko for a guy, meaning freedom, freedom, freedom. Nkululeko or Nonkululeko. After Nonkululeko and Nkululeko we have Sibongile, 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 meaning we are thankful. Ukubonga is to give thanks. We are thankful. Sibongile. After Sibongile we have Siphephelo, Siphephelo. Isiphephelo is a place, it's your resting place, your place of peace, where you find comfort and where you shield yourself and you feel happy and safe. So into isiphephelo is your resting place or your place of peace or place of comfort. Place of peace, place of comfort, place of rest. Siphephelo, Siphephelo. After Siphephelo we have Thembeka, 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 meaning trustworthy. uthembakele, you are trustworthy. Ndingakuthemba, I can trust you. Thembakele meaning trustworthy. And or thembeka for a girl, thembeka for a girl, thembakele for a baby boy. And then after that we have nobuntu. Nobuntu. Ubuntu is kindness. Nobuntu, kindness. A name usually given to a baby girl. And after nobuntu we have thembelani. Thembelani. Thembelani meaning have faith. Have faith or believe in this. Believe in this. Believe in this. And then after thembelani we have sibonakaliso. Sibonakaliso. Sibonakaliso is a sign. Sign is sibonakaliso. This child has been a sign for something in your life, or it represents a specific sign or something, and then you would name them sibonakaliso, or it represents something to you. Sibonakaliso. And then we have kwanele. Kwanele. Kwanele is more like sanele as well, which means enough. Kwanele is enough, which means we have had our children and enough now. This is our last child. Enough is enough. This is our last child. Or kwanele could mean that maybe you only just keep, because the name is for a baby boy, you just keep on having baby boy after baby boy or after baby boy, and then you're like, enough now, we want a baby girl, enough, like kwanele ngamakhwenkwe, like enough with the boys, or kwanele ngabafana, it's enough with the boys. Kwanele. Kwanele. After kwanele we have phumlani. Phumlani. Phumlani, which means rest. 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 Phumlani, you have enough babies now, just rest. Just rest. Phumlani, or you've been working hard and you just want your child to have a soft life, like phumlani, just rest. Just rest, you know. Just have an easy, cruisy life. Phumlani. After phumlani we have zuzumuzi. Zuzumuzi, which means the household beneficiary. Muzi is a household. Ukuzuza is to benefit something. Zuzumuzi, the household beneficiary, which is a name usually given to a baby boy, typically the firstborn, because in our culture, by nature, once your parents die, the household or the owner of the house now becomes the firstborn. So you would also name them Zuzumuzi, because it will be the one who looks after the household once you are gone. So the one who will benefit everything, Zuzumuzi. And then after that we have Vela Bashleke. Vela Bashleke. Vela Bashleke meaning amuser. Amuser. But in this context, how would I define it? Maybe someone said, you would never have a child, you would never have a child, you would never, ever have a child. And then you have a child, and then you name them Vela Bashleke, which means the direct meaning would be, after we had this child, we laughed. Like, ukuvela is to show up, and then ukuhleka is to laugh. Vela Bashleke, the one who people laugh when they show up. That's basically the meaning of it. But the nicer way of saying what it means is say the amuser. I think that's what they're trying to go for. Vela Bashleke. So yeah. And then after Vela Bashleke, we have Noma Bongo. Noma Bongo, which is usually given to a baby girl, Noma Bongo, and then a guy would be Bongo. Noma Bongo and Bongo meaning pride. Pride, you're very proud of you. This child is your pride and joy. Noma Bongo if it's a girl, and then Bongo if it's a boy. And then after Noma Bongo and Bongo, we have Tabisa. Tabisa. Tabisa is to bring joy. Tabisa, bring joy. The baby brought you joy. Tabisa, which is a name for a baby girl. And then after Tabisa, we have Sithembile. Sithembile meaning we trust. Ukuthemba is to trust. Then C meaning us. Sithembile, we trust. And then we have Lungile. Lungile meaning the good one. The good one, to be good. Ulungile, to be kind, to be gentle, to be sweet, to be an angel. Ulungile, a very good human being. The good one, Ulungile. After Lungile, we have Nokubonga if it's a baby girl, and then Bonga if it's a baby boy, and meaning give thanks or full of thanks. To give thanks or to be full of thanks is Nokubonga. And then after that we have Sithokozile. Ukuthokoza is to be full of joy, to be full of thanks. Sithokozile, we're filled with joy, we're filled with thanks. Sithokozile, filled with joy and thanks. Sithokozile, we're thankful. And then Ntombi Yesizwe, which is a name given to a baby girl, which means daughter of the earth. Ntombi Yesizwe, daughter of the earth, name for a baby girl. And then after that we have Kaya meaning home. Kaya meaning home, which is a name for a baby boy. And then after that we have Sondo or Noma Sondo, which means Sunday. Sometimes you have a baby on Sunday, or Sundays it's like just like a beautiful day, you know. So you just want to name your kid Sunday, you would name them Sondo or Noma Sondo. And then after that we have Ntombenhle, meaning beautiful daughter or beautiful girl. Ntombenhle. After Ntombenhle we have Zama, meaning try, Zama. And then after Zama we have Nomzamo. Zama and Nomzamo are names usually given to baby girls. Nomzamo, which is close to Zama. Zama means try. That's just the direct meaning of it, try. Then we have Nomzamo meaning the one who keeps trying. The one who keeps trying, never backs down, never gives up. The one who keeps trying, Nomzamo. Or maybe you kept on trying for a baby boy, a baby girl. Then you kept on having boys. Now you have this girl. You name like Nomzamo. Like we kept trying for this baby girl and they're finally here. This is our pride and joy, Nomzamo. And just like a fighter, the one who never gives up, and because you keep trying if you are Zama. So yeah, maybe they were fighting for their lives when you gave birth to them. They just kept trying to be alive and they defied the odds despite the doctors saying that maybe they're not gonna make it, and then by the grace of God they make it. And then you name them Nomzamo because they kept trying to stay alive. They never gave up. Nomzamo, the one who keeps trying. And then after that we have our final name, which is Nomsa. nomsa, nomsa, or msa, or nomsa, meaning kindness, kindness, umusa. Yeah, so that is going to be it for today's video. Out of all the Zulu names I have mentioned, which one was your absolute favorite? Like, oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful name. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Love, love, love that name. Do let me know. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts on all the Zulu names for baby girls and baby boys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Did you find a name that you like, or you like, you know what, I'm like fixated on the Xhosa names because they're so clicky. And by the way, if you want the Xhosa name version of this video, you can definitely check it out. I have maybe 2 of those, and here they are. I hope you will enjoy those if you haven't seen them yet. And yeah, that is it for isiZulu. And if you're saying goodbye in isiZulu, you say nisale kahle. That means goodbye to all of you guys. But if I just want to say goodbye to you, only just you, not everybody, I would say usale kahle, usale kahle. Since all of you guys are watching me, what I'll have to say is that nisale kahle, nisale kahle makhaya. Goodbye.